Does your team seem to struggle to collaborate? Do you feel like they're never quite on the same page? Hi, I'm Jacqueline Howard of Moving On with Coaching here. I've got just the thing for you. Everyone Communicates, Few Connect is one of leadership expert Dr. John C. Maxwell's most prominent titles. Inside are 5 principles and 5 practices to connect one-on-one in a group or with an audience. You will see all of your relationships, from your boss to your children, from your teammates to your neighbors. Take a quantum leap. I can deliver Everyone Communicates, Few Connect from the stage, in a small group, or in an ongoing class, depending on your needs. Contact me today to help you take your team's communication to that next level.